Hi, it's me. I'm going to show you how to make this pull tab and rise card, and there are two pieces to it. There's a back and there's a front. So this is the front, and we're going to draw a 1/2 inch border around the entire thing. And you do that by marking 1/2 inch from the right and 1/2 inch from the left all the way around. Once you do that, you are going to connect those dots, and then when you're done, you have 1/2 inch frame. So now we're going to mark the middle where it is going to create that rising piece of it. It's going to allow everything to rise. So we're going to score these lines and we're going to cut these lines. So here is our knife. We're going to slice those lines, and then we are going to fold where we marked it to score. So there it is, the little rising triangle piece. This is the pull tab, and we use two pieces because one is going to reinforce the other. This is our glue tab that I'm pointing to, and before I glue these together, I am rounding out the edges. So there it is, our strong little pull tab. We're going to glue it right over here. And we're going to use some really good glue because as people pull it, it might wear down the glue. Now we're going to glue on the back, and we're only going to glue down 3 sides of it so that there's a hole for that pull tab to come out. So this is the element that's going to rise, which is basically a picture frame. We're only going to glue it on the bottom half. So there it is, our pull tab and rise card. Oh, don't forget the heart. So when you're done with it, you can glue it in an interactive card or just give it to somebody on its own. Take care and have a great day.